accommodate as many passengers aboard. Welcome aboard the holiday train.
Wyjedziemy czy nie?
Nie wiem.
Listen is Roosevelt. Change here for the red green line train Roosevelt.
The most wonderful time of the year in Chicago, America and rest of the world has arrived. Colorful autumn is making way to the biggest holiday season of the year. Today I rode the Allstate CTA holiday train on the Orange Line all the way from Roosevelt station to the Midway airport. It was all decked out and dazzling. Mingling with all friendly Chicagoans and hospitable CTA staff, I became a kid again and found my long-lost youth. मुझे मेरा बचपन और जवानी मिल गए ಎಂದು ಕಳೆದು ಹೋದ ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗತನ ಮತ್ತು ಯೌವನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೇವು.
Happy holidays.
I got high with adrenaline and ecstasy all throughout my ride, from the sights and sounds of holiday riders and sounds of the moving train. I've been riding CTA trains for past half a century. Everyone was armed with their best behavior. Train was wrapped with holiday and seasonal images. Thousands of twinkling lights outlined the shape of the train and the windows. More lights were running across the top of the train cars. Now in its 32nd year of operation, since back in 1992, the train delivered more than enough holiday cheer, just in time, just in case, by CTA. The train serves to deliver bountiful of joy and holiday spirit to thousands of riders, and also to deliver food baskets to various charitable agencies throughout the city. These trains light up the 70-plus neighborhoods of Chicago and bind them tightly. This train transfers Chicago into one big joint family consisting of all kinds of people from all over the world. Each year CTA employees donate their time and money to purchase groceries and to assemble food baskets for delivery to community organizations across the city for the needy. The riders and fans of Allstate CTA fleet will be able to partake in photo sessions with Santa straight from the Arctic. Chicago is very close to my heart, psyche and soul, and definitely is my kind of town. No matter how much the bad actors try to badmouth Chicago, we keep thriving and rising. No cows run here amok, contrary to the rumors. Nobody has ever bodily harmed me here in more than half a century since I first set my foot here from a faraway land, half the world across. Written, narrated and produced by M.S. Patil, Beyond the Shadow of Doubt, from the very heart of Chicago, Illinois, USA. Thank you kindly. December 2023.